Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You already know from previous videos this 2015 Toyota Corolla S. And this one is back today for the engine oil and filter change. It has 83,000 miles, but the owner brought up additional annoyance. Owner said, hey, I think when I open and close the door, something rattles in the door. And I was first looking here if it's not a content of this pocket, but sure enough, it actually sounds from here. Do you hear that? Obviously, she's afraid that she might get stuck one day with the window not coming nicely up and down. That's a concern, obviously. So she said, can you please look at it, what's rattling, and possibly fix it? So let's see what we can do for her. She said, by the way, that the window is perfectly coming up and down without any hesitation and problems. She's waiting for the vehicle. That means she's walking in that beautiful area here, nature. So I don't have a time to film it step by step or how to remove the door panel. So I will just quickly remove it and we will look together what is causing that rattle. And what I have found, it's quite interesting. I never saw this source of rattle before. If you look right here, do you see this soft poops? It looks like a little poop right there. You see it? So there is that supporting bar, which cannot be bar for crashes because the steel is so thin. I don't think it can help you in the crash. But that was basically like, let's say, glued to these, and that completely fell off, and it's just rattling here in the door. Do you hear it? Obviously you must be able to hear it. So to fix that, that's interesting. I will do just temporary fix because, as I said, she's waiting for the vehicle, and this will need to be fixed correctly. I'm looking all the way there, right? This is the bar which keeps moving and which is basically dislodged from its correct place. So very interesting, as I said, never saw it before, but I guess every day we learn something new. So today I will just tape it in the place so it stays on these soft little poops. It has even brown color. I will attach it that way so it's not rattling, and I will figure out later, when she comes later, what kind of special glue or caulk or something like that should be used to put it correctly in the place. So I hope you find this interesting, and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.